Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a FIFA 15 video, and I just want to quickly show you my football team because they're really good. I'm going to be doing a pack opening video. Yeah, so I got 30k. Basically, I got it from. I'll put the link in the description. FIFA. I forgot what it is, but I'll put it in the link in the description. I think it's MMOGA. Whatever. So I'm going to be showing you my team. Be right back. This is my team, guys. There, guys, that's my team. Right, time for the pack opening. Right, time to open these packs. We're on the gold packs. Premium gold packs. Okay, so let's do this. So I've closed my eyes, guys, for this first one. Hope it's good. Evra. Really? Terrible, terrible pack. Really? That was the worst pack ever. Okay, guys. For next pack, I'll skip this pack. Okay, so hope it's good.
How much would you spend on ISO?
We get to be anybody good? No. Oh, I'll take this. Okie dokie. Take these 2 contracts. Storing consumables. Storing consumables. Okay, that's really all it is, because these guys I don't really want. So I'm doing like a Spanish / Argentina team, guys. Okay, next pack. Okay, skip it. Actually, no, let's not skip it. Okay, we got nothing again. Yay. No. And by the way, guys, in the background, it's my friend Jack. Yeah. Says nothing good. Come on, man. Give me something good at least. At least somebody good. Okay. Somebody good. I'm gonna skip this pack. Come on. Skip! Oh. What is wrong with these? What is wrong with these packs, actually? What is wrong with these packs? Okay, we got one more time for 1 gold pack. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna get skip. Nobody good. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be the video for today. Hope you all enjoyed. Yeah, basically, see you guys later. Peace.